Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're jumping right into a huge topic, automated testing. We're going to talk about how it can completely transform your CI pipeline, taking it from just a simple assembly line to a really powerful quality gate. So here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll look at the chaos that exists before automation. Then, we'll dive into the shift-left revolution, a real game changer. We'll give you the essential testing toolkit, show you exactly how to build a quality gate, and then, super important, we'll cover the common traps you absolutely need to avoid. But before we get to the solution, let's really understand the problem we're trying to solve. What is it that makes manual software releases so incredibly risky and just high stress? I mean, if you're a developer, you've probably asked this 1,000 times. Why does every single release feel like you're just rolling the dice? Well, the answer, as we're about to see, has everything to do with how we approach testing. And wow, this slide right here, it's basically the nightmare scenario that plays out in way too many companies. Without automation, your CI pipeline just becomes a high-speed conveyor belt for bugs. Every release is a fire drill. You're constantly putting out fires and rolling back broken code instead of, building cool new things. Let's try an analogy. A CI pipeline without automated testing, it's like building a skyscraper without a foundation. Yeah, it might look impressive for a little while, but it is just one bad day away from completely collapsing. Automated testing is that foundation. It's what gives your whole process the strength to handle anything. So the big question is, how do we actually fix all this chaos? Well, the answer lies in a pretty radical change in mindset, the shift-left revolution. And trust me, this is not just another buzzword. It's a fundamental shift that's separating the high-performing teams from everyone else. And just look at the difference here. It's night and day. On the left, that's the old way. Testing is an afterthought. It's slow, it's manual, and it happens way too late. But on the right, that's the new world. Testing is baked into the process from the very beginning. It's automated, it's fast, and it creates this constant feedback loop that stops bad code in its tracks. And that, right there, is the whole idea behind shift left in a nutshell. It's about building quality in, not trying to bolt it on at the end. It's about making every single person on the team a guardian of quality, right from the very first line of code. Okay, so you're on board with the philosophy. Awesome. But how do you actually put it into practice? Well, it all starts with having the right tools in your CI toolkit. First up, we've got unit tests. And you should really think of these as the absolute foundation of your testing strategy. They're small, they're super fast, and they're laser-focused on one thing, making sure each tiny piece of your code does exactly what it's supposed to. They're like the little quality inspectors on the assembly line, checking every part. Okay, so it's great that all the little pieces work on their own, but do they actually play nice together? That's where integration tests come in. They're kind of like the team building exercises for your code, making sure all your different components can talk to each other and collaborate without any issues. And last, but definitely not least, are your API tests. I love this analogy. Think of them as the bouncers at the front door of your service. They're there to make sure everything is working as promised. Your API is a contract with your users, and these tests are what enforce that contract. All right, so we've got our philosophy, we've got our tools. Now it's time to actually build this thing. Let's look at the blueprint for a CI pipeline that is a true, honest-to-goodness quality gate. And just take a look at this flow. It's so logical, almost beautiful, right? First, you build the code. Then, you immediately hit it with the fastest tests, your unit tests. If it survives that, then you move on to the more complex integration tests. And only if it passes everything, do you package it up. Now, this whole system, this entire beautiful flow, it only works because of one critical principle: fail fast. It's basically a circuit breaker for your code. The very second something goes wrong, the whole process shuts down. No more wasting time, no more wasting resources on a build that was doomed from the start. Okay, but let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are so many ways this can go wrong. So let's talk about the dark side of CI. The traps and the anti-patterns that can turn your shiny new quality gate into, well, a rusty old fence with a hole in it. And if any of these look familiar, that is a major red flag. Having no tests in your pipeline, that's just asking for trouble. A slow test suite, that's a morale killer because developers will just stop running them. And ignoring a failing test, come on, that's like ignoring a fire alarm. It's just a recipe for disaster. And this brings us to what I like to call the silent killer of CI. The flaky test. You know, the test that passes 1 minute and fails the next for no good reason. It's the boy who cried wolf. It fails so often that when a real bug shows up, nobody believes it anymore. A flaky test will destroy trust in your entire system faster than anything else. So, what's the big takeaway here? What's the bottom line? It's that automated testing isn't just some nice-to-have feature, it is a complete game changer. It's the thing that elevates your pipeline from being a simple kind of dumb assembly line into a smart, intelligent quality gate that protects production. So I'm going to leave you with this one question to take back to your team. Is your pipeline an assembly line, or is it a quality gate? Is it a source of constant stress, or is it a source of confidence and strength? The choice is really up to you, and it all begins with mastering automated testing.